Hey guys, so today we're going to go over real quick how to install rear side markers on your S550 Mustang. These are going to be going on my 2015 Mustang. This is basically going to cover any bulb replacement or just the full light replacement. So I'm going with the ones from Raxiom. They are a tinted LED light, so it's the entire housing. You can see on the back there it's just got the little plug, but this has got the LED strip down the center rather than your factory light, which is just going to have a singular incandescent bulb, and it just doesn't look as good to me. This is going to kind of make that light not stand out as much in the back, and then when it is lit up, it's going to look quite a bit better. So this is a super simple process, only takes a couple minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. So depending what you guys are getting, you can look at your replacement fixture. They should all be relatively the same, but you can kind of see how it's held in. You've just got kind of a push tab there, and then it just kind of slots in there. So you're going to basically reach behind your fender and just push in on that little tab there, and this thing's going to pop right out, and then you'll be able to undo your pigtail. So that tab was pretty stiff on the inside to bend, so I did end up using a screwdriver from the inside and pushed it in. And then now you can see it kind of comes out of there, and then you just kind of got to work it through, and then it just comes out. So you can see the tab there, and then that's the guy that you push in. And then you just push in on this connector, and that's going to slide off. But I'm going to need both hands to do that, but pretty self-explanatory. Now your new light's going to go on same way, it just plugs right in, you don't have to do anything. Then you're just going to pull it forward. Get that rear tab slotted in there, push it in, and then it's just going to pop right in there. And there you go. This car is pretty dirty, but once it's cleaned up, it's going to look a lot better, and you can kind of see how it fits, and it's going to blend in a lot nicer. So just move on to the other side, and then you're pretty much done. All right, so the side marker lights are fully installed. As you can see, kind of look at it from the side of the car, it really blends in nicely. It doesn't stick out like the old red light did, which to me is super nice, makes it a huge upgrade. Open up the door here real quick so that way the lights come on. You can see the whole strip is lit up now, unlike the factory ones where you just got that singular incandescent bulb. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This is a super simple, super relatively cheap upgrade if you guys are looking to just kind of change up the appearance of your car, kind of clean up the way it looks. So hopefully you guys got something out of it. Make sure and subscribe, because we're going to have a ton more videos coming with more upgrades to this car, and you're not going to want to miss it. So until then, we'll catch you guys later.